We have tonight a very big treat for my darling daughter, whose birthday, 23rd birthday. So I've decided I'm going to do her fillet with a lovely sauce, which is actually my design. I'm very proud of it. French mustard sauce. Actually, I'm lying. Oh dear, it's my mother's sauce. Sorry, Mom. Thank you for the sauce. But yes, so we're going to start off with just spicing our meat. We're going to put a little bit of garlic pepper on. That's it. And we're going to... This is Inner Bowmans lovely garlic butter sauce. No, not butter. No, we've got a problem with ourselves tonight. We're losing our tongue. It's garlic pepper. There we go. And I think a little bit of salt. Wunderbar. 2 big, huge, fat pieces of beautiful fillet. First we're going to start with the sauce because it's the best thing to do is have everything prepped and ready. So 2 tablespoons of Maizena. That's what we're going to start with. And then we're going to add some black pepper or garlic pepper I usually use because it just adds the flavor. Very nice. Some salt. And then because Colman's took blooming the French mustard off the market, which was very disturbing to me, I now have to make my own little mix. So 1 teaspoon of Dijon Colman's mustard, and then I found this lovely mustard. Where was it? Oh, Food Lovers, yes. And so what I do is I add a little bit of this, so we've got a bit of a mixture. So 1 spoon of that and 1 spoon of that. There we go. So what we can do is actually just add a bit of milk just to get it into a paste first, and then we're going to add the cream. So that's what we're going to do now. Do you see that? That's what we make a little paste. This is the easiest sauce you can ever make because all you do is you mix everything before and you only have to just pour it straight into the pan after you've cooked your steak, and it thickens on its own. Very nice. There we go. Right, so now we're going to add our cream. This cream is long life cream, which I buy at the spa. It's fantastic because it's got like a whole year's span, so you've always got cream in your house. It's fantastic. Just shake it up a bit. There we go. There we go. Chuck it in. Yo, this is going to be fantastic, I promise you. This is probably one of the best sauces you can ever have with steak. It is absolutely delicious. Now I'm going to tell you a little trick. Okay, so what they do when they make French mustard is they just add a little bit of lemon juice. That's what I think anyway. I don't know what they really do, but I'm going to tell you that this is what I'm going to do. A few drops. That makes it into French mustard, apparently. So once you've prepped your sauce, everything's ready for you to go. The oil has got hot enough now, so we're going to add our little chips in. The children are getting spoiled tonight because it's Kayla's birthday. It's an absolutely lovely pot to do chips in. Such a fabulous pot. I love my new pots. Bowmans garlic butter, one of my favorites in the world. Let me show you. Bowmans garlic butter. He's got a different range of the different garlic butters, so, but this one I love with my steak. It's absolutely fantastic. Love it. One of the best things about it, it doesn't leave that horrible aftertaste that some of the butters do. It's wonderful butter. It's the best garlic butter I've ever tasted. To be honest with you, wouldn't go with any other brand. This is Bowmans butter. So what we want to do, we're going to put our meat in, but what we want to do is place it, rub it into this lovely garlic butter, and then just place it and gently leave it there so we can seal both sides. It's such a beautiful piece of meat. We're going to leave that for about 2 minutes to get nice and brown on the one side, seal the skin, and then we're going to turn it over and do the same on the other side. Steak on a plate with the sauce. Yum, yum. Okay, so what we do is we just put a little bit of the butter over the top, and then we're going to switch sides over as soon as that's sealed on the one side. Oh yes, that's what we're talking about. And then we can even seal the sides, it's so fat. We're going to have to seal all the sides around as well. But there's no amount of butter, Bowmans butter. There's no limitations to the amount we want to use. We just want a hell of a lot. Delicious. Wunderbar. You just keep on adding it. Lovely. You can get it at your local spa or at your local Checkers. So we're just going to do the other side, and then we're going to actually just finish it up for a few minutes, so it can actually cook right through, and that's absolutely fantastic. Look how beautiful that's looking. All the sides are just cooking the last two sides, and then what we're going to do is take a spoon and actually just throw the butter over the meat while it's cooking the last bit. Looking gorgeous. Yum, yum. Going to take some of the sauce, the butter, and just throw it over, and it gently cooks with this lovely butter. Bowmans butter, it is my favorite. Looking absolutely fantastic. We've got to watch it and let it get nice and crispy like that. Oh, it's the best. Right, this is absolutely stunning. We're going to take that off now, pop it in the oven just for a minute, and then we're going to start our sauce. Right, we're going to add our sauce now just to the rest of the leftover fat in the pan, and then we're going to have to stir it very, very fast. Look at this. Oh my word, those look amazing. Everything's happening so fast. The sauce is going. The chips are going. Where's your video? What to do? Crazy times. This is what happens when you make steak. Crispy chips. Oh wow. That looks absolutely spectacular. And the sauce is ready. Right, time to dish up. Yo, that sauce is going to be great inside there. Shh, you don't have to video that, eh? That's a secret sauce. Shh, don't tell anyone. You take the meat juice and you gooi it into the sauce. Yes, that looks good. And now, this actually should be copyrighted, seeing oh wait, it was my mother who made this lovely sauce. We have to give the glory to the person that started this beautiful recipe. Right, let's get this beautiful. This is French mustard. Beautiful on this fillet steak. Fillet. This is how we roll. 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 Right, dishing up time. Everybody come and sit. Supper is served. Chips in a plate and steak in a plate. There we go. I'm going to take a bite. Can I have a little taste? You know the chef is always going to taste. Let me taste. Oh my word! Magnifique! Thank you so much. Yum.